Let's continue with the practice problem number 2. A machine produced 12, 14, 10, 16, and 18 items over 5 days. Compute the mean number of items produced. So we're given items 12, 14, 10, 16, 18. Required the mean. So solution, the mean is 12 plus 14 plus 10 plus 16 plus 18 divided by 5. That's 70 over 5, which is equal to 14. So the final answer, 14. Interpretation, the machine produced an average of 14 items per day. Practice problem number 3. The ages of a group of employees are 24, 28, 31, 27, 25, 29. Determine the mean age. So we're given ages 24, 28, 31, 27, 25, 29. We are required to determine the mean. So the solution, mean is equal to 24 plus 28 plus 31 plus 27 plus 25 plus 29 divided by 6. That's equal to 164 over 6, which is equal to 27.33. So the final answer, 27.33 years old. So interpretation, the employee's average age is about 27 years old. Practice problem number 4. Find the mean of the following set: 12, 15, 10, 18, 20. So we're given 12, 15, 10, 18, 20. So required the median. Solution, arranged in increasing order. So we have 10, 12, 15, 18, 20. So the median is 15. Because we have 5 terms, the median is the third term. So the final answer, 15. Interpretation, the middle score is 15. Practice problem number 5. A class of students scored 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. Find the median score. So we're given 45, 50, 55, 65, 70. Required the median. There are 6 values, so therefore, the average of the third and the fourth data will be the median. So 55 plus 60 all over 2 is 57.5. So the final answer, 57.5. So interpretation, the typical score is 57.5. Practice problem number 6. Determine the median of the data 3, 7, 9, 12, 15, 17, 19. So we're given 3, 7, 9, 12, 17, 19. So the median is required. So solution, we have 7 values and the middle is the fourth data, which is 12. So our final answer is 12. Interpretation, the median score is 12. Practice problem number 7. The shoe sizes of a basketball team are 9, 10, 11, 9, 12, 10, 9. what is the mode? So we're given 9, 10, 11, 9, 12, 10, 9. So required mode. So the solution, the frequency 9 appears 3 times, which is the most frequent. So the final answer, the mode is 9. And the interpretation, the most common shoe size is 9. Practice problem number 8. The daily sales in hundreds of pesos are 8, 7, 6, 8, 9, 10, 7, 8. Find the mode. So we're given 8, 7, 6, 8, 9, 10, 7, 8. Required the mode. Solution 8 appears 3 times. So that's the highest. So the final answer is 800 pesos. Interpretation, the most frequent sales figure is 800 pesos. Number 9. Find the mode of the following ages: 21, 22, 21, 23, 22, 22, 24, 21. So we are given 21, 22, 21, 23, 22, 22, 24, 21. So required the mode. So solution, 21 appears 3 times, 22 appears 3 times. So this is bimodal. We have 2 modes. Final answer, 21 and 22. So interpretation, the common ages are 21 and 22. Practice problem number 10. The weights of 5 boxes are 45, 50, 47, 53, 49, all in kilograms. Find the range. So we're given 45, 50, 47, 53, 49. So required the range. So solution, maximum minus minimum value is equal to 53 minus 45 is equal to 8. So the final answer, 8 kilograms. So interpretation, the weight difference among boxes is 8 kilograms. Practice problem number 11. The temperatures recorded over a week are 32, 34, 36, 31, 33, 35, 37, all in degrees centigrades. Compute the range. So we're given 32, 34, 36, 31, 33, 35, 37. We are required to determine the range. So our solution, 37 minus 31 is equal to 6. So the final answer is 6 degrees. Our interpretation, the temperature fluctuated by 6 degrees during the week. Practice problem number 12. The scores in the math quiz are 72, 85, 90, 68, 76, 81. Determine the range. So we're given 72, 85, 90, 68, 76, 81. So required the range. So the solution, 90 minus 68, which is equal to 22. So the final answer, 22. Interpretation. The scores varied by 22 points. Practice problem number 13. Compute the variance of the data. 5, 7, 3, 7, 10, which is the population. So required are given data 5, 7, 3, 7, 10. Required population variance. So solution, obtaining the mean. So we have 5 plus 7 plus 3 plus 7 plus 10 divided by 5 is equal to 6.4. So deviation squared is equal to uh, 5 minus 6.4 squared plus 7 minus 6.4 squared plus 3 minus 6.4 squared plus 7 minus 6.4 squared plus 10.64 squared. So that is the deviation squared. And then the variance therefore is equal to 27.2 divided by 5, which is equal to 5.4. So the final answer, 5.44. Interpretation. The score deviate from the mean by about 5.44 on average. So, the unit is a squared unit. Practice problem number 14. Find the sample variance of the set 12, 15, 18, 20, 25. So we're given 12, 15, 18, 20, 25. So we are required to determine the sample variance. So our solution, determine first the mean. We add the data and its sum is 90. Divide it by 5. The answer is 18. And then deviation squared is equal to 12 minus 18 squared plus 15 minus 18 squared plus 18 minus 18 squared plus 20 minus 18 squared plus 25 minus 18 squared. The answer is 98. The sample variance is 98 over 5 minus 1, which is equal to 98 over 4, which is equal to 24.5. So the final answer is 24.5. Interpretation. The ages vary by 24.5 on average. The squared units. And then number 15, determine the population variance of the scores 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. So we're given 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. Required population variance. So our solution, the mean 50 plus 55 plus 60 plus 65 plus 70 divided by 5 is 60. Our deviations, 50 minus 60 squared, 55 minus 60 squared, 60 minus 60 squared, 65 minus 60 squared, then 70 plus 70 minus 60 squared. And the variance is 250 over 5 is equal to 50. Final answer, 50. Interpretation, the score deviates by 50 units squared. We will have the next part of this